Hello, childrens. I hope all of you are doing good and you are preparing well for exam. So you have just 3 weeks time. Somebody is having maybe 4 weeks time. Okay. So till 16th, what we had completed? We had completed many questions. That means almost we have completed 10 questions from 51 to 60. Now today we are going to learn something different, new. So that's I wanted you to learn very clearly and very specific with aggressively, because these many days we have done slowly. We already completed 10 days and now we have to speed up little bit, then at least we can cover in each video at least 2 questions. So then it's easy for you to understand, because we have just maybe 2.5 months. We cross almost 15 days. Today is already 17th. Okay, so let's we start with question number 61 and the date is 17. So 16 was there, date I will make it 17, and question was 60, I will make it 61. So this question is very simple and it's related to decimal. So I will just make you to understand in 2 ways. Okay, so while calculating the decimals, you will be having a plan to do it in fraction of seconds. Maybe 15-20 seconds you can do it if you are really expert and if you know about the decimals. If you don't know the decimals, then you have to go with the thumb rule, that is a traditional rule, what we have done in the multiplication. So what I am doing is I will do it first, the quick and very aggressive with speed, how you can do it within a 15 to 20 second for 1 minute question. And I will give you another example with traditional, it may take 2-3 minutes. Okay, so that I'll explain you very slowly, very clearly, because I am not here to do hurry for a certain questions or all the questions where I don't want to just simply complete the portion. So I am not like some of the teacher who does in the school. They want to complete their portion and they think their responsibility is over. No. So my responsibility is make you to understand, where you can able to understand the maths whatever I am going to teach here, and you can come up with the solution or you can able to answer in the Navodaya examination. Then I can think my job is over. So till that I think whatever I feel myself is I have not teach or thought properly or they may not learn properly, then I will make it again easier to make you to understand. Okay, that's why I am here. So I don't have any target and I am not here to do any kind of completing the portion. Okay, I don't want to do that, and it is not a one-day task to complete the portion, or that's not 1 year, right? So if I complete this year's, say Navodaya or NMMS, what they have learned for 8th standard, if I say 8th standard my job is over, the next year somebody will, the juniors will become 9th, and this in 8th standard they will go for 9th standards, right? So that means whenever they go from one standard to another standard, that means if they are in 8th to 9th, then they have to be have at least minimum knowledge of mathematics what they have learned in the previous year, or else it's waste of their time and our time. Simply what we are doing is we are only just dragging or we are pushing them forcibly to go for the next class. So it is not useful for anybody. I don't know to do that. That's my personal experience. Okay. Let me just tell you what is the question number is 61. The product the product 0.4 into 0.04 into 0.004. Product means it's a output. What exactly we'll get is the question mark. As I told you, the method one I'll explain. Before that, I'll just tell you what is the options A, B, C, D. So A says 0, 000, 64, 0.12364 or 64 you can call it as 0, 00, 0.00, 640, that is 640. We should call actually not 640, it's a 640 after decimal. Okay, so the C is 0.640 and the D is 4 times 0, that means 0.1234 64. Okay, so these are the answer what we are getting. Fine. So in this condition, what we have to do? Done. So in this case, we have to find out which is the answer. As I told you, I'll just explain you method 1. I'll explain method 2 here. That's why I'll explain here. What I'll make it, it's a 0.4. That means 1. So I'm just taking after dot. How many numbers are there? After dot 1, 2. Here 1 is there. Here 2 is there. Here 3 is there. Clear? 0.4 is nothing but a after dot 1 numeric is there. After dot 0.4 2 numeric is there. After dot 004 that is 3 numerics is there. So I already explained you where we have to mention the dot or which number or after which number you have to mention. That I have explained. Here I will explain again detail with the example. Don't worry about that. Whatever you might have not seen the video or you might have not like understood or you may be forgot, there may be a lot of different challenges will be there. So here I'll explain you in a different manner where you can understand and I'll explain you with some examples. Let us see how we can do it. Fine. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. That means my answer should be after that 6 number should be there. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means answer will be 6 digit means answer will be D. That is 0.00064. I'll explain you how it comes. Clear? So this is how we can do it if you are really expert, and in this within a 15-20 seconds. It won't take that much also, at least you can spend 15-20 seconds. You will be having a clarity and this will be the answer. Clear? So I'll just take you through the traditional method or what we had learned that previous. That I'll call it as method 2. Okay, so we'll finish step by step, one by one. What they are saying, 0.4 multiplied by 0.04. 0.4 multiplied by 0.04. I think as I come across many of the students, they did not aware where they have to put the dot after getting the answer. Okay, we'll answer the solve this question and we'll get the answer. Once getting the answer, then I will tell you how we can go it further. Fine. 4 4 ja 16. 4 0 ja 0. I have mentioned 16 directly because there is no further number. That's why. Again, I will come with this is finished. 4 4 is 16, 4 0 is 0. So I will come with this number 0 0. Again I will come with this number 0 0. So I hope you know this, why we are leaving one space and going for a next the digit. So the mathematics, the rule board math says, maths when we are doing, we have to start from the next number. If you go for a second digit, this is first digit, we have not left anything. The second digit we have left only x, that means I just mentioned. So I am not doing anything here, I will start from here. Then there are also two numbers. Fine, we have two numbers means 0 4 is 0, 0 0 is 0, 0, this number 0 4 is 0, 0 0 is 0. Okay, I am explaining like for LKG UKG students, you should understand clearly and you have to make it thorough and learn properly. Fine. So 6 1 0 0. So now our answer we got it. So after getting the answer, what you have to do? You have to put the dot 0016 came. So we don't know where we should put the dot because we have not learned. Most of the like students, they don't know where they have to put the dot. Somebody says I'll put here because it is the 2 is there, then I'll put it here 16 before like 16. So that is wrong. What we'll do in the mathematics is how many digits are there after dot, and left side how many digits are there after dot or decimal. Okay, we'll calculate right and left both, we'll add it, and that number we are going to mention here as a dot. I mean to say 1 and 2 number in the right side, and here 1, total 3 numbers from the right side we have to put the dot. That means 1 2 3. So once you start multiplying 0.4 multiplied by 0.04, 0.04, then your answer will be 0.016. It's not 16. We should not call that. That is the wrong. So this is completed. This is completed. I will go with the third one. Then I will get answer. Okay. So multiply by 0.004. That is what we have in the option 3. Right. So we'll multiply this. 4 6 ja 24. 2 is here. Okay. 4 6 ja 24. 2. I'll keep it here. Then 4 1 ja 4 plus 2 is 6. I'll just repeat once again once I finish this. Okay. This 2 is completed. 4 0 ja 0. 4 0 ja 0. As I told you, so if I am going with the second digit from the right side, then I will mention here as a x or plus whatever. You can use it, but you should not start your calculation from here. Your calculation should be start from here. Here from the second number. So now what we have 0, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers we have. That means we will get only 0. That we learned in the previous class or earlier class. Whatever you multiply from the 0, it comes 0 1. That means what I will do now here is I will put 4 zeros. That means 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, 4 0. Again I am multiplying with the third digit. Then I will just cross here. Then I will start from here. Again 4 zeros, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I completed 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now my fourth digit is again 0. Then I will start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 digits 1, 2, 3, 4. We have completed 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. That means our maths is clear. We have not started anything wrong here because it started from the same number in the initially. Here in the second line we are starting from the second digit here, and in third line we have started from the third digit, and here the fourth one we have started. Now we will see what is the output. The output will be like this: 4, 6, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So how we are going to finalize now where we should put the dot? We can finalize with very easy method. We are following with the same procedure or method. That means we had taken 2 digits from here after decimal, that is dot. 0, 4 is 2 decimal. Here only 4, there are 3. Then our dot was after 3 digits from the right side. Okay. Here also we will follow the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 numbers from the right to left. Wherever it comes, we have to put the digit there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 0 will come here. 0, 4 times 0, 64. 0, double 0, double 0, 64. So it's the same answer. There is no doubt in this. Okay. So as I told you, I'll explain you with a very simple example. Like whenever we get the dots, how we have to use it. We already used here. Still, I'll explain with the some different numbers, because in all zeros is there, you may be get a confusion. I'll take some digit. 2.0 multiplied by 2, 2, 3. Okay. So I just have a concentration here. This is just example, not related to this question. As I told you, I am just giving you example because here I will make it again one more digit as a 4. I don't want to add that 0 where you will get a confuse. Right? So I will just make it clearly how many number comes. Then I have to put dot. Let's will finalize now itself before getting into the solution. The dot will become from the right side to left side after how many numbers? 1, 2, 3 numbers. Yes, 3 numbers, right? Whatever the answer it may comes, it doesn't matter. The final answer in this, what we'll do is, we'll put the dot after 3 numbers from the right side. Okay, let us start solving the question. So 3 4 ja 12, 1, 3 2 ja 6, 1, 7. Now we are not going to put any dot because we have not completed our question. So we have to finish entire the process. I mean, we have to get the clear answer. Then later we can go with the dot or decimal where we have to mention. Clear? So 3 4 is 12. 12, 1 I have taken, 3 2 is 6, 1 7. Okay. Let's commit to the second digit. As I told you, now we are going to multiply with the second digit. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Okay. So our second digit also we had completed. Now let's plan it the third digit. The third digit will be 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So 2, 8 plus 7 is 15. 1, 9 plus 4, 13. 1, 5. Clear? It's we got 5352 is the answer, but this is not the answer because 5000 we cannot get. We have calculated 2.4 into 2.23. That means it should be very less. It's a below 100. Okay. Let's how we can finalize this answer as the correct. So we'll follow the same process. As I told you, we have 1 and 2 after decimal in the right side, and after decimal in the right side we have a left side one number. Here is 2, here is 1. So here is 2 number, here is 1 number, total 3 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, it's a 5.352. 5.352 is the answer for this example. I have given just example. Okay, this question is not, sorry, this answer is not related to this question. My children, I hope you understood decimal way how we can work out and how we can do it and how we can solve it with quick method and with the traditional method. Quick method again I will explain once again. I think you might have understood this and you may be understood this as I told you. So we have only one decimal here in the first option. Here we have 0, 4 after decimal. There are two numbers, that is 2 digits. Here dot 004, that means 3 digits or 3 numbers. So adding all these 3, 2, 5, 1, 6. There are total 6 digits should come after the dot, or in your answer if you start from the right to left the calculation here like this. So after 6 numbers you have to put the dot. That's what we have done here. So rather than doing this big calculation, we can go with this and we can mention as a D is the answer. So this will do only the smart kids like you. So you should be very smart. And to learn the mathematics, you should be very smart enough, or you should have a logic. And once you start involving in the uh, understanding of a mathematics question, then definitely you will do it this. There is no doubt at all. Clear? So as I told you, you start watching my YouTube channel Anubhava Saara, and you are here or not. That means you are attending Navodaya or not, doesn't matter. Okay, this is really your life and your career. You will be getting a benefit out of it in any class or any examination whichever you are going to attend. Okay, so that's why don't think this is Navodaya and it's not related to me. I'm not attending Navodaya. Why should watch this video or why should learn all this? Then definitely you will be the loser. So I don't want you to become a loser not watching this video. I expect you to watch all my videos and subscribe this channel to get all new methods with new strategic ideas of the mathematics. And definitely down the line, maybe 6 months or 1 year, if you are totally zero in the maths and you may be scared about maths, the subject, then definitely will start loving only maths rather than as a subject. That I can give you guarantee and have a people practical experience whoever attended my session and my classes in the classroom and online also. That's why I can say with the guarantee, you watch my videos, understand the methods, okay, and you try to do it with a practically. Don't do go and do Google this in the Google. People are doing, they will just put this question and Google what they will give answer. They will give, it will give answer with multiple things, and one people is one explain in different way, not in this manner. They will give only final answer. One or two people they may be explained in detail, maybe not in this, maybe in their method. Okay, and some people they might have explained in this method also. I cannot predict it. What I am trying to say is, don't go each and everything for a Google. If you depending on the Google, definitely you never succeed any kind of examination when you are going with the competitive. If you are going to competitive with somebody, that means you have to have a thorough knowledge here, not with Google. Okay, because in competitive exam they cannot allow you to use your Google where you can answer this kind of questions. If you have a thorough knowledge or if you have a basics, and you better learn all these things, and everything has been stored here in your brain or mind. Then wherever you go, let them, they can stand in front of you 10 people, your classroom teacher or squad, whomever it is in the public examination, you won't bother at all. You will start writing entire page or enter question paper, you will start solving it. You never bother who is standing next to you, because you know everything, and everything is here in the mind. Whatever you have studied, you will be having only one challenge is you have to recall and you have to remember, and you should understand the question, and you have to answer accordingly. So that is the only one challenge where you are going to face. If you depend on the Google, then you are not going to learn anything in your life, and you always depend on the Google only. Like some the business people who doesn't have a knowledge, or they doesn't know about the mathematics, they always behind with the calculator. This is what example what I am planning to give today. Okay, why you should learn all this maths means, I can give the same simple example. You can go wherever for small shop. If you buy 2 3 items, maybe 10 rupees, 15 rupees, and again 15 rupees, 15, 15, 30 plus 10 is 40. To calculate these three product, you might have taken one pencil or one pen or some biscuits, whatever. So to calculate 40, 50 rupees, again you will take a calculator rather than calculating in the mind. That means he is a poor in mathematics. That's what I expect you to do that. Don't go behind with Google or calculator. Only go behind with your knowledge and your experience, where you can able to express and you can explain in such a way that this is the answer with guarantee. You can tell them, because that much confident you will be having if you learn thoroughly. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed today class. I'll catch you with the next question. The question number is 62 with the date of 18th, and that question is totally different, and we will be slightly more we'll discuss, because that kind of questions is very rare coming in the examination, or they may give one question definitely, then definitely you have to be get through in that. In that question you will be get a board mass, that is a formula. So formula questions will be slightly difficult or different to make you to understand in easier way. So what I do is I try to make you to understand easier way, where you can get through with the question and you can able to understand the answer. And same manner, if let them ask any kind of questions in the examination, you are going to solve it and you will get at least the marks what they have given. Clear? So fair enough. We'll wind up the session today. Okay, so till that I'll catch you in the next class. Till that, you keep on watch my Anubhava Saara YouTube channel to become a master in the mathematics. Okay. Till that, bye.